Okay, so this is the case. This is like the deluxe one. So it's the complete acrylic sculpture kit. It comes with all these things. It says to create longer nails, whatever. New bubble-free acrylic formula, a flawless finish with an enhanced powder that won't trap air, and it's 20 tips. So yeah, I got this from my beauty supply store, but I know they sell it at Walgreens and Walmart and stuff. So we're just gonna open it. I think I opened it the hard way. So I guess it has a file. Okay, it got a cuticle pusher. It got some nail forms. If y'all want to see a video of me using these, then let me know. It got instructions. It has the primer. Okay, it comes with the brush to do the acrylic. It comes with the liquid monomer, the acrylic liquid basically. It comes with nail glue, a dapping dish, and then it also comes with acrylic powder. But this is clear, and I don't want to paint my nails. I'm gonna put some of these. This is what I use for makeup, but I'm gonna use this for my nails, so it'll be like, you know, glitter acrylic. And then it comes with the nail tip. This is like the natural nail color. And then it also comes with this, a buffer. I'm gonna do my right hand first, then I'm gonna come back and do my left hand on camera. Cause I feel like if I do my left hand first, when I get ready to do my right hand, it's gonna be even harder because I have nails. And I know I can do it with nails with my right hand. So what I'm doing right here is just buffing my nails out. Now I'm just gonna take the nails. I'm gonna find the correct nail size for each of my nails for both hands. What you want to do is you want to make sure that the nail fits your natural nail properly. So if you can't find the exact size for your nail, you want to go with a size up rather than going with the smaller size, because that smaller size is always going to pop off your nails. And then with the bigger size, you can just file it down to your natural nail size. And again, y'all, I'm not a professional. This is my first time ever doing acrylics, especially on myself and especially using my left hand. So obviously it's not going to be perfect, but I can definitely say that I will be doing my nails from now on. So right here, all I'm doing is finding the correct nail size for my left hand. And once I did that, I just put them all up there to the side so that I know what finger is for. Alright, step 3. So for step 3, you want to glue the tips to your natural nails. So I used the glue that came with it, of course, and I just put the glue all on that clear portion of that tip. So you see how like it has that clear portion and it kind of fades into a natural nail color at the tip. So that's what I did. You're going to hold it on your natural nail for about 5 to 10 seconds. And that's what I did. I'm going to slow it down for this next nail so y'all can kind of see better. And you see that one, it didn't stick. So if it does not stick, you want to make sure you buff your natural nail and file your natural nail so it'll be, it won't have that residue on there, that glue residue. And then I just do the same thing, glue it on there. So this is where we're going to slow it down for you. So I'm just going to get the nail that I've already pre-chosen as the correct size for it. I'm going to get that glue and I'm going to put the glue on the clear side, the clear part of that nail tip. I'm so bad at explaining stuff. Then I'm going to take it and I'm going to press it down on my natural nail for about 5 to 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I didn't have a good grip right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Boom. Maybe a little longer. Maybe about 15 seconds, y'all. Maybe about 15 seconds. And then boom. That's it. And I'm going to do the same thing to my thumb. And boom, we're done. So now what we're going to do is we're going to trim our nails to the length that we want them. So I just really wanted them pretty short. Well, I want to say this like a medium length. So you always want to trim it a bit longer than what you really want it if you're going to shape it, because of course when you shape, file, and all that good stuff, it's going to be a little shorter. So here I had a horrible time trying to go in with these scissors and make a coffin shape, because one of these scissors are like curved. So it was really hard, but it really did help, so I didn't have to file all of that, and it was much easier to just file it with the crooked the crooked cuts I did. But if you got like some straight edge clippers, that'll be so much better, and you can really get a perfect shape with that before filing. But yeah, I know they look crazy, y'all, but I promise y'all keep watching, because like I did the daggone thing. So right here, I'm just going in and I am filing my shape. So I use the file and I kind of like use my thumb to hold up my other fingers. And I just go in at like a 45-degree angle on the sides, trying to get that perfect coffin shape. I just go in with that file and try to get the perfect coffin shape. So you see me, I'm going on each side. I'm doing the end of the tip, making sure that's straight. And y'all, it's really just taking your time. I know it's fast forwarded, but I did this in about 3 hours. Like, so just take y'all time. I mean, you already basically doing it yourself for free. Basically, like $8 is nothing. So take your time. Before, after. Period, poo. Yeah, so we're just gonna fast forward this. Yeah, I'm like talking all over my voice that I'm already talking in the video for now, but in the end, I'll be talking. So I'm just really just like trying really hard. And like I said, I'm not a professional, so this is as good as I can do. I mean, hopefully a lot of y'all are able to just watch and see. I mean, you can watch tutorials, but I don't know how to explain it. I truly don't. This is the best I can do, y'all. Ooh, yes. That looks really good for me to do it myself, if I must say. Like, okay. Okay, so now you want to take the file and you want to kind of like, I don't know how to explain it, but you want to kind of flatten that tip with your nails, so it'll be kind of like smooth. I'm gonna use this as my duster. I'm gonna get the acrylic primer, and you just put it on your natural nail. I'm gonna go back in with this cuticle pusher, and I'm gonna push my cuticles back some more. I kind of did it earlier, but I don't really like this cuticle pusher. Okay, so I say push your cuticles back is optional, because you may not need to, and you don't need to push your cuticles back if you don't need to, because you can mess them up. So right here, I'm just going to mix my glitter acrylic concoction. So I'm going to use the top of the acrylic and I'm going to pour some in. Then I'm going to get my glitter and pour some in. And I'm going to keep doing this until I get like the right glitter to acrylic ratio. So as you see here, I'm putting a little more glitter because I want it a little more glittery. But you still want it to be enough acrylic that it'll form a bead and it just won't be a bunch of glitter on your brush. So this is what it looks like. And now I'm going to go in and start. So the first thing you want to do is pour your monomer in your dapping dish. And then after that, you want to get your brush and you want to kind of unstiffen it. So I'm going to pour my brush into my acrylic liquid, which is also acrylic monomer. And I'm just going to push it around on the paper towel to like get it a little fluffier. So here we go. We're getting started. We're applying the acrylic. Step 8. Yeah, I was so nervous. But all you're going to do is you're going to dip inside your liquid monomer. Then you're going to dip inside of your glitter acrylic concoction. And you're just going to place it. I start like in the middle of my nail or where my natural nail and the tip meets, and I just go down. Like, I cannot explain to y'all how I do this because I'm almost positive it's like not 100% the correct way. But again, I'm not a professional. I just do it how I know I see them doing it at the nail shop. So I mean, just use that as a reference. But I'm just going to go in again till I get enough glitter that I want. And after I get the right amount of glitter, I'm going to go in and I'm going to use the clear acrylic that I didn't put any glitter in. And I'm going to put that on top. And I'm going to do that probably about 2 or 3 times because you want to make sure that your nail is not flat while you're applying the acrylic. You want it kind of thick. You want to be able to file that down. But you want it to be kind of thick because once you do file it, you don't want it to be so thin that you filing all the acrylic away. You know what I'm saying? So you do want to make it a little bit thick because we are going to file and buff it in the end. So this is the part where I'm going in with that clear acrylic. And you can see it beads so much better than it did with the glitter concoction because it's all that glitter. But I'm just going in with that and I'm putting it on top. And yeah, so that's it. And we're about to fast forward it. And y'all, this is not a tutorial. This is how I did it. I did it myself, basically. This is not technically a tutorial because I'm not a professional and I could be teaching y'all wrong. So we just fast forward it and I'm going to just do the rest of my nails. Please make sure you wiping off any acrylic that's like dripping because that's like the worst ever to have that acrylic on your skin and stuff and it hardens. It's like the worst to get off. And y'all see I had to put my mask on because this stuff is strong. I watched so many tutorials and they had the apple drop. I wish I had some because this stuff is so strong, y'all. Like, it had the whole room smelling like acrylic. Because copyright is a thing, so y'all can hear me humming while we watch the rest of this sped up portion. Make sure y'all put that clear acrylic on top of the concoction we made, y'all. And I know nail techs actually do the encapsulated thing. This is totally different from that. Like, the encapsulated thing, you'll put like the clear acrylic on, and then you'll put like whatever you want to encapsulate. It could be like flower decals and stuff like that. It is so cute, y'all. And then they obviously make glitter acrylic. But yeah, y'all, I just used $8 kit, and then my acrylic was like $1 or $2 from Etsy. I mean, not my acrylic, my glitter was like $1 or $2 from Etsy. So it was under $10 to do my nails like this by myself. So here I am, I'm showing y'all, like, that looks really good for this to be my first time ever in my life doing my own acrylic. And then I'm just doing my thumb. Okay, so basically you just want to let it dry. And once it's dry, you tap it. If you hear click, 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 this needs to dry a little more. But if you hear clicks, a good click, then they're dry and you can file them. So now you just want to reshape it with the file. So the same way you shaped it at first, just redo that. And then after you do that for all your nails, you're going to file the top and then buff the top of the nail to kind of like thin it out and get it really, really smooth. File and buff. And then that's it, you guys. This is the final look, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I did go home and put some rhinestones on my middle finger. But yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you want to see more DIYs, let me know in the comments.